Hi, friends. Welcome to Storytime Adventures. We're so happy you're here with us today. If you love wonderful stories, make sure to click the subscribe button and like this video. This week, we have lots of fun stories all about Thanksgiving, so stay tuned for more exciting adventures. Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, there lived a cheerful girl named Mia. Mia was 7 years old, with bright eyes and a heart full of curiosity. Every year, Mia looked forward to the Thanksgiving season because it meant she got to visit her grandpa. Grandpa's house was a magical place, especially during the holidays. It was warm and welcoming, filled with the delicious smells of tasty foods and the sounds of laughter and joy. Mia loved spending time with her grandpa. They would play board games, go for walks in the colorful autumn leaves, and, of course, bake together. But Mia's favorite thing to do was help Grandpa in the kitchen, especially when he made his special pumpkin pie. Grandpa's pumpkin pie was famous in their family. It had a golden, flaky crust and was sweet and creamy, with just the right amount of spices to make it perfect. Every year, Mia couldn't wait to taste the pie, and always asked Grandpa for the secret recipe. Grandpa would chuckle and say, "Oh, Mia, that recipe is a family secret. Maybe one day I'll share it with you." Mia loved the pie so much that she dreamed of baking it herself one day. She imagined herself mixing the ingredients with the same care and love that Grandpa did. This Thanksgiving was particularly special because Mia was especially excited to help Grandpa in the kitchen. She had been practicing her stirring and measuring skills all year long. As the days grew cooler and the leaves turned vibrant shades of red and gold, Mia could hardly contain her excitement. She woke up early on Thanksgiving morning, ready to help her family prepare for the big day. When Mia arrived at Grandpa's house, the aroma of roasting turkey filled the air. Her grandma was busy in the kitchen, humming a cheerful tune as she prepared all the delicious dishes. Mia ran up to Grandpa, giving him a big hug. "Happy Thanksgiving, Grandpa!" she exclaimed. "Happy Thanksgiving, Mia," Grandpa replied with a warm smile. "I'm glad you're here to help us today." Mia couldn't wait to get started. She donned her favorite apron, which had colorful pumpkins and turkeys printed on it, and joined Grandma at the kitchen table. Together, they began to prepare the meal. Mia loved washing the vegetables, picking out the best ones to use in the dishes. She carefully peeled potatoes for the mashed potatoes, making sure not to miss any spots. In the meantime, Grandpa was busy in his special pie-making zone. He had his favorite pie dish on the counter, surrounded by jars of spices and fresh pumpkin. Mia watched him closely, hoping to catch a glimpse of the secret recipe. But this year, something was different. When Mia asked about the recipe, Grandpa paused and looked at her thoughtfully. "Mia," he said gently, "this year I'm going to keep my recipe a little longer. It's a surprise for all of us." Mia's eyes widened. She felt a flutter of disappointment, but decided to understand. "A surprise? That sounds exciting," she said bravely, though inside she was curious and a bit puzzled. Determined to uncover Grandpa's secret, Mia spent the day helping her family in every possible way. She helped Grandma stuff the turkey with delicious herbs and fruits, making sure it was perfectly seasoned. She set the table with beautiful plates and colorful napkins, arranging the silverware just right. Mia even placed a vase of fresh flowers in the center, adding a touch of beauty to the dining room. As the day went on, Mia found herself running around the house, taking on little tasks to assist her family. She laughed with her siblings as they played games in the living room, shared stories with her cousins, and enjoyed the warmth of being together. Mia began to realize that each little task she did was contributing to something much bigger, a wonderful celebration filled with love and happiness. In the kitchen, Mia worked alongside her dad, who was preparing the mashed potatoes. She peeled potatoes carefully, making sure each one was peeled just right. Dad taught her how to mash them until they were smooth and creamy. "You're doing a great job, Mia," he said, giving her an encouraging smile. Mia felt proud of herself. She was helping the family in their own special way, just like Grandpa did. She thought about the pumpkin pie and wondered if maybe the secret wasn't just in the ingredients or the way they were mixed. Maybe there was something else that made Grandpa's pie so special. As the afternoon sun streamed through the windows, Mia continued to help wherever she could. She placed plates of roasted turkey with cranberry sauce on the table, making sure everything was perfect for the big meal. The kitchen was bustling with activity, and Mia loved being a part of it all. Finally, the moment Mia had been waiting for arrived. Time to bake the pumpkin pie. Grandpa took out his special pie dish and began to mix the ingredients. Mia watched closely, hoping to see something different this year. But Grandpa used the same warm spices and fresh pumpkin as always. He sprinkled a bit of cinnamon and nutmeg, just like before. Mia stirred the mixture, feeling the rich, sweet aroma fill the kitchen. She helped pour the filling into the crust, smoothing it out carefully. As the pie baked in the oven, Mia peeked through the glass door, watching as it slowly turned golden brown. She couldn't quite understand why Grandpa wanted to keep the recipe a secret this year, but she trusted him. When the pie was ready, Grandpa carefully took it out of the oven and placed it on the cooling rack. The whole family gathered around the table, their faces lighting up with anticipation. Mia felt a sense of pride and happiness, knowing she had played a part in making this Thanksgiving special. As everyone enjoyed their meal, the conversation flowed with laughter and stories about past Thanksgivings. After everyone had finished eating, Grandpa stood up and held his pie dish gently in his hands. The room grew quiet as everyone looked at him, curious about what he was going to say. "Mia," Grandpa began, his voice warm and loving, "I want to share a little secret with you today. The magic of my pumpkin pie isn't just in the ingredients or the recipe. It's in all the love and memories we share together when we make it." Mia looked up at Grandpa, her eyes wide with understanding. "So, the secret ingredient is love?" she asked softly. Grandpa nodded, smiling. "Yes, Mia. It's the love we put into cooking, the time we spend together, and the happy memories we create that make the pie truly special. It's our family bond that makes Thanksgiving wonderful." Mia felt a warm feeling in her heart. She realized that Grandpa had been teaching her an important lesson all along. The secret wasn't about keeping the recipe hidden. It was about cherishing the moments they shared as a family. "That's why this Thanksgiving feels extra special," Mia said, hugging Grandpa tightly. "It's not just about the pie or the food. It's about being together." Grandpa hugged her back and nodded. "Exactly, Mia. Our family traditions and the love we share are what make every holiday magical." As the evening continued, Mia felt happier than ever. She understood that the true magic of Thanksgiving wasn't in any single dish, but in the togetherness and love of her family. She looked around the table at the smiling faces of her parents, siblings, and grandparents, feeling grateful for each one of them. Before leaving Grandpa's house that night, Mia thanked him once more for the wonderful day. "I'm so happy I could help today," she said with a big smile. Grandpa gave her a wink. "I'm proud of you, Mia. You've learned the most important secret of all." Mia waved goodbye and walked home with her heart full of joy. She couldn't wait to share what she had learned with her friends and family. From that day forward, Mia cherished every moment with her loved ones, knowing that their love and togetherness were the true ingredients that made every holiday special. And so, Mia discovered that the best recipes are made with love and the special moments shared with family. She learned that it's not just the ingredients that make something delicious, but the love and togetherness that makes every holiday magical. Thank you for listening to Grandpa's Secret Recipe. We hope you enjoyed Mia's heartwarming story. Remember, friends, it's the love and memories we create with our family that make every moment special. Don't forget to subscribe to Storytime Adventures and like this video. Stay tuned for more wonderful stories all about Thanksgiving this week.